Imagine a world where securing funds takes just 48 hours. Traditional loans can take months, but business bridging loans offer rapid approval and disbursement. This speed can be a game changer for seizing business opportunities. A business bridging loan is a short-term financing solution designed to bridge a temporary funding gap. These loans provide quick access to capital when traditional financing isn't available or would take too long to arrange. Explore the short-term nature and flexibility of these loans. Typically repaid within 3 to 36 months, they can be secured against property or other assets, or even unsecured for smaller amounts. Bridging loans can be used for property purchases, cash flow management, and more. A strong exit strategy is crucial, ensuring the loan is repaid on time, whether through property sales or refinancing. Unsecured bridging loans offer potential for smaller amounts without collateral. They provide flexibility and speed, making them ideal for quick business pivots or unexpected opportunities. Let's recap the key features and benefits of business bridging loans. They offer speed, flexibility, and can be tailored to your business needs, whether for property purchases or managing cash flow. Consider your business needs and potential exit strategies. Are you ready to seize opportunities with the speed and flexibility of a bridging loan? It's time to take action. Contact us today to explore how a bridging loan can support your business growth. Let's work together to ensure your business thrives with the right financial solutions.